Hello guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Thelma. For those who are new here, welcome. And for those who have been with us, like you guys, you know the drill. Thank you so much for keeping this channel alive, and I'm super excited about that. So today I'm going to do I received the bag from Gems. Okay, let me tell you a story about it. My medical aid on the bag, a bag, maternity bag, baby bag, whatever. So I got one bag, I think 2 weeks back. I got one bag 2 weeks back, and they called me. Then they called me, now, how is the bag? Do I like it? Blah 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 blah. I'm like, yeah, thank you so much for sending the bag. I didn't know what to expect. I didn't know what was in the bag. I just didn't know much. So after that, I responded, and it's just that I'm having twins and I received one bag. So yeah, I don't know how I feel about that. Why am I receiving one bag anyway? So they were surprised. Why did I receive one bag when I said I have twins? They asked me, did you send us the letter from your gynae or from your doctor saying that you have twins? Yeah, I did. Like when I was telling you, you told me to send you a letter to prove my pregnancy. And then I did that, and then she was like, the lady was like, let me check if they did register you as, and like you're having twins. I'm like, okay, cool. Then seconds later, she was like, yeah, you were supposed to get it. Here is your letter, blah blah blah. Why did they send you one back? Let me escalate the letter. Let me ask mama and the maternity crew and the people that couriers the bag. And yeah, then she got back to me. She said, no, they're saying that the person who was issuing your bag didn't mention that you're having twins. I'm like, okay, we apologize for that, blah 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 blah, blah. Then we are going to send you a bag, another bag. I'm like, okay, thank you. So yeah, that's how I ended up knowing that I was supposed to get one bag. Otherwise, two bags. Otherwise, I didn't know. I wouldn't even have like had an idea. Yeah, I'm supposed to get 2 bags if they didn't call ba batla gore ke review the whatever their bag. So here I am. So now I'm going to show you my 2 bags and what is inside and how I feel about them. Okay, the bags are the same, even though they came in different dates. The bags are the same. Here is our little bag. This is bag number 1. You know, the color and everything. The bags are the same. So here are the bags. Yes. Here are my 2 bags. I'm having a condition. My hand is very painful. Yeah. Here are my 2 bags. So I'm just gonna open one bag to show you what is inside, because this is the first thing I want. Yep. This is the first thing. I think we're changing mat. We have a changing mat, and inside we have Cutlass newborn nappies, 10 of them. Yeah, we have, why my camera, I'm trying. Yeah, we have this. Oh Lord, I'm not happy. It's at night, guys. Go share. We're having Cutlass 10 1. We have 2 packs, and we have maternity purse from Carrywell, baby wipes from Binet. I can give you now. We have Aqua's cream, 2 of them. Baby Aqua's cream, we have 2 of them. Oh, sorry. Is it the same thing? Yeah, it's the same thing. It's 2 of them. I don't know why. We have baby balm cream, nipple cream. What's this? Baby shampoo. Okay, from Johnson. We have open this. Yeah. Let's share Bisao from Johnson & Johnson. All of them did a little disclaimer. Free sample not for sale. All of this. Sorry. Renalim Vaseline. From Johnson & Johnson. Yeah? Johnson. Whatever. Yeah. That is all. This is how the inside of the bag looks like. Canali ZB. Yeah. Okay. That is all what I wanted to show you. I'm just checking what I'm not going to. That is all from me today. All I wanted to do was to show you the gems. Wanted to show you the gems bag. So yeah, that is it. Thank you for watching, guys. Please subscribe, like my video, and share it with your peers. And I love you so much. Bye.